Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and you are watching Azaz Patel official YouTube channel. Welcome to the part 49 of responsive e-learning website development in PHP with PDO. So guys, in last tutorial we successfully fixed this problem, but just look at here, we have a problem with the instructor section, so we need to fix that out. So how can we fix that? So I am on the function.php page and here our function is available, course details. So I'm going to down and just look at here. Here is the instructor information available. So we need to convert that button with the div tag. Here is also the div tag, div, and here also div tag. We need to close that div tag from here with the replace of button tag. Now let's check out the page. I'm going to refresh that one, so you can see that the button is coming very good, but we need to fix some problems here. Just look at here, course share. So we need to go into the style.css from the CSS folder, and here course share section. Where is the course share? Yeah, here it is. You can see that. Okay, course share, div float left, text align. So we need to center that text with the text align center property from this div. So set text align center. Okay, let's refresh and check out. Okay, we need to define the I tag here, just because inside a tag we have I tag, so just cut out from here. Paste that one from here, refresh the button. Let's clear the history and check out clear data. Okay, let's check out with a different browser, Opera Mini. Opera. So we have a same problem from here. So let's check out our function, what we have done here. Div tag open, close, I tag. So close, everything is fine, but I don't know why it's not coming. Text align center from the, let's give to the a tag text align center and then refresh. Okay, so we have centered the text here. Just look at here. So now we doesn't need this I tag from here, so cut it from here. So now our problem is fixed now. So let's move forward and create our category page here. So I'm going to opening index.php page from here. Let's copy this one, Control N for new page, select the PHP, Control A, Control V, Control S to save, and give the name like category.php. Okay, we will save this function inside our YouTube e-learning, and then inc, oh not from inc, we will save this function on the root directory of our web page. Okay, so let's change the text first of all here, categories. Okay, let's refresh and check categories dot php, enter. We doesn't have any page like this. Let's check the, yeah, just category, not categories. So we have a page here. So now let's remove something from here. We doesn't need the slider from here. Let's refresh. So you can see that the slider is not coming from here. We also doesn't need this one from here. So we'll also cut that from here. Let's refresh and check. Okay, so you can see that. So also it doesn't need this courses section from here, top courses. Let's refresh it now. Okay, so our page is ready. Now we are going to working inside this header and footer tag. Okay, so let's remove first of all from here and remove the extra lines. Now inside here we are going to create a one div tag with the id equal to cat body left. Okay, and close this from here. In the same way we are going to create one another div with the name cat body right. Body right section. Okay, so now we are going to style.css and we need to style up them. So here after this div we are going to style up that one. So cat body left section, and here we are going to set the width with the 20% and the height will be the auto, and let's set the position. We need to fix that position, fixed, and then we are going to set the background has 748890, and then after we also need some padding 2% from all side, and box sizing will be the border box, and we need to set some height on it 500 pixel, and we also need to set the float property, float left. Okay, let's check the output. So you can see that the output is coming perfectly, but we use a float here, so for that reason we need to clear that float after the cat body right. So we are using br clear all property, close that one from here, refresh it. So you can see that now going to the style.css again and just copy this one from here by Ctrl+C and paste that one, and now we are going to change the value from here cat left to cat right, and this width is 18%, 80%, and its background will be none, just because it doesn't need any background from here. Height is okay and everything is okay. Now let's check out. Okay, something is wrong here. Body left, body right, category, style.css, body left, body right, everything is right, but I don't know why it's not coming. Again I'm going to clear the history from here. Okay, not going here. Yeah, we need to remove this position from here. Also let's try to remove it one from here. Now let's check. Okay, so you can see that our body left section is coming perfectly and body right section is also coming perfectly. Just check it out with the black color, just for the example purpose. Yeah, just look at here, our body right section is completely perfectly coming here, so none. Okay, let's refresh it. Now with some style up from here, just like here, just category we have here. So I'm going to again on the category .php, and here I'm going to create one h2 tag with the categories. Okay, now let's try to design that one. So cat left section like that. here I'm going to create a h2 tag, and then set the background as FFF, border radius 100, not 100 pixel. We need to set it with the 15 pixel, and width will be the 100%. And also we need to set text align center property from here, and its color will be has 3F5267. Let's check out the output, refresh it. So you can see that, but we need to decrease some font size, so we need to set the height of here 35 pixel of height, and font size will be something like 14 pixel. Let's refresh it again. So you can see that, and we also need to set the line height property from here, just because we use a height 35 pixel. Refresh it again. So you can see that we have output just like here we have. Okay, so not a 2 pixel, but 1% is perfect. Let's see. Okay, not like here, we need to set it from here and refresh the page. Okay, so you can see that now it's looking very good. Now we need to create this one, this section. So how can we create that one? So I'm going to again into the category.php section, and here we are going to set the UL tag, and inside that UL we need the li. Inside li we have a tag href, and then we need one icon from here. So I'm going to index.php header section. Where is the header? Yeah, here it is. And here I'm going to copy this one from here by Control C, and paste that one from here by Control V, and set the development, just for the example purpose, user to code, and here is the design. Okay, let's check the output. So you can see that the output is coming here. Just first of all we need to remove these dots here. Just look at here, the dots is coming here. So first of all we need to remove that dot with the using of list style type none property, cat body left ul list style type none property we are going to use in here. And again I'm going to come back here, and we use a li property from here now, li, and we are going to set the width equal to 100%, and its height will be 35 pixel, and its line height also will be the 35 pixel, and its color will be has white color. We are going to use here white color. So now also we need to set the text align center. No, not the text align center. We are going to use here padding from the left side 5%, and box sizing will be the border box. Okay, and also we need to set the font size of the a tag. So we are going to use here a tag, and this display block, first of all we are going to use here display block property, and then we are going to set the text decoration none property here, text decoration none, and its color will be has FFF. Now let's refresh and check. So you can see that the output is coming very well, but we need to set the ul tag margin from the top property from 5% from the top. Let's check out it now. Okay, so you can see that now we need to set it this icon space from here. Just look at here, these two are coming. The D is starting from here, but from here we have some extra spaces, so we need to fix that out. So inside a tag we have a I tag, so we need to set the I tag width from here. So let's set the width equal to 20 pixel, and now let's check out. So you can see that now our problem is fixed now. Just look at here, all the writing is starting from here. and icon is also coming perfectly, but we need to set something more here. We need to set the font weight property, and we say normal. Okay, let's check out. So you can see that the font is now normal, and we have output exit we have here. Just look at here, but we need to decrease the font size from here. So how can you do that? So simply we are going to use here font size 12 pixel, refresh it, or not from here. Okay, so just look at here. I think this is too small, so we use a 14 pixel, refresh it. Okay, now it's better. And now when someone hover on it, so we need the underline of the text. So I'm going to use here hover, then a text decoration will be the underline. Okay, let's refresh and check. So you can see that now our text is underlined. You can see that. So as the same way, we are going to use here one another property. Yeah, here with the subcategory. Let's refresh and check. So you can see that we have a subcategory here, just like we have here. You can see that. Okay, but we need some spaces from the top of that UL. So we are going to again to style.php style.css, and here on the UL tag we have set here margin from bottom 5%. Okay, let's refresh and check. Okay, so you can see that now the space are coming perfectly, all are setting very good. So I think guys this is enough for today. If you guys are like my videos, then like and share my videos, and if you have any question in your mind, then comment below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, just because when I upload the new videos, then you can get the direct notification into your inbox. So we will meet you in next tutorial. Stay connected with me, stay tuned. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.